Geocar helps users find the best and the most reliable dealers for their requirements based on customer rating, reviews and photos within their location preference. The users can also find standardized dealerships which are audited on regular intervals by Team Geocar. This is basically based on a marketing franchising model. Geocar is on a mission to transform the user's automobile ownership experience, be it buying or selling of cars, services, accessories or car rentals. We take it upon us to connect the user to the best dealers in town.
I was the first person to join this organization and I share the vision of this great team. From working out of a garage, we now have 2 offices with more than 40 young and dynamic people working for us.
Geocar has 2 sides. One is user portal, the other is dealer portal. Then user portal, the user has an option of checking in, rating, review, add photos. And the dealer portal, he has an option of viewing whatever is going through on his profile, and he also has an option of adding offers, events, and what sort of traction it's getting from the Geocar platform. And the same is replicated on the website.
Time and again, we've been told to be modest about it, but I think it's absolutely fine accepting that we're the coolest team at Geocar. Could somebody please get me a MacBook here?
We're the face of the design team is the face of Geocar, which is why our designs are minimalistic and we have creative young minds on board to create this. There's only one mantra that we follow, and SG says it a million times in a day: go crazy.
Geocar is very keen on marketing strategies. We plan to implement the best SMM and SEO campaigns, which will include content marketing, viral marketing. Apart from that, we'll also plan to implement the radio advertisement, which will reach out to more and more potential clients, users, customers, and create awareness for the Geocar.
What we are targeting currently right now is dealerships which are paying between 5,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per month for listing on platforms such as Just Dials, Carwale and Car Deco. But the problem with these dealerships or listing with these portals is they are highly generic and they're not specialized. So to tackle this problem, what we are doing is we're giving a highly specialized and a very cheaper marketing spaces as well as the portals.
Currently, my team size is of 8 people. We go out in the field, we pitch the customer. We pitch basically our customers that are the dealers. We like going out and having perfect deals.
And our design team consists of almost all amateurs, and we have so creative heads. We have so creative heads that we jump into each other's design and make it more innovative.
My vision for this company is to become that trustworthy friend of any user who's looking for his automobile needs to be serviced in the best manner.
Make the best dealers in town.